Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. This is Sandy for Graphic45. In today's card making tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can easily level up any ClubG45 project. The project that we're going to level up today is the double layout envelope mini album and gift card holder by Kathy Clement. We're going to focus on the gift card holder. To download and print your free Graphic45 project sheets, all you have to do is visit g45papers.com, go to the Inspiration drop-down, and click on Project Sheets. As you can see, Graphic45 carries a wide array of free paper crafting project tutorials with easy-to-follow step-by-step instructions along with measurements. To follow the measurements that I'm using in this tutorial, look for the ClubG45 Volume 5 Floral Shoppe file. I'll be using the measuring guide on pages 10 and 11. You'll find the links to the Graphic45 supplies that I'm using here in the area underneath this video and in the blog. We begin our ClubG45 Level Up project by printing the information on pages 10 and 11. Then I cut the papers for the front of my card per Kathy's instructions. I used double-sided tape to layer the first two mats. And now for my first level up of this project, I'm going to apply a piece of coordinating trim with some double-sided tape. We then use double-sided tape to adhere the mat on our card base. And again, I'm going to use double-sided tape to adhere the next two pieces in place. Now you know me, I love to add elegance to my projects. So we're going to die cut a beautiful ornate frame with our Graphic45 clock die. We're going to apply wet adhesive around the circumference of our frame and then lay our frame over on top of the mat. And with the same Graphic45 clock die, we're going to die cut our sentiment like you see here. But before we add our dimensions to our card, we're going to work on the inside. Okay, so now that the inside of our gift card holder is done, we're going to finish up the front. For this part, you may use foam squares, but I'll be using some fun foam from my stash. Once we've added the dimensional mat on our card, we can use the foam squares for even more dimension on the circle die cut. Now, here's something that I enjoy doing when I'm designing cards. It is my hope that the recipient of this card displays it on her desk at work or up on a shelf for all to see. So, as an added bonus or an extra step, if you will, I like to add paper to the back of my cards. I just think it adds a nice finishing touch to your card making. So now we're going to use the small elegant corner die from our Graphic45 square tag and clock die set, and we're going to die cut 4 corner pieces for the front of our card. Then we take a border sticker from our Graphic45 Floral Shoppe sticker sheet, and we're going to add it to the front of our card. And just for added measure, I like to add a little bit of glue to it to ensure that it stays put. I add a piece of bling for my stash, and to top it off, I use my Graphic45 Gold Matte Pearl Gems. I hope that you've enjoyed my Graphic45 ClubG45 Level Up project. Be sure to visit G45papers.com for more free paper crafting tutorials. And whether you're wanting to make mini albums, mixed media albums, handmade cards, or even treat bags, Graphic45 has a project just for you. I want to thank you for watching my video. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already a subscriber. I certainly appreciate those thumbs up, and leave me a comment. I love reading your comments. And hey, don't forget to share my videos with your friends. I'll see you once again real soon. Bye now.